Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to crochet the block stitch with 4mm crochet hook. Let's get into the video, guys. So to start with, it is the slip knot. Always make the slip knot, and here we get the slip knot. And now we have to chain with the multiple of 3, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So guys, I have made 15 chains. It is a multiple of 3, and excluding these 15 chains we have to make another 2 chains. So chain 1 and 2, and now from the hook we have to count the 5th chain. So the 5th chain over there from the hook, 1 2 3 4 and 5, over there we have to make 1 double crochet. So yarn over, put the hook inside the chain, grab the yarn through the first 2 loops, and then grab the yarn through the last 2 loops. So guys, again we have to make 1 more double crochet in the next chain. Make 1 more double crochet in the next chain. So pull the yarn through the first 2 loops and pull the yarn through the last 2 loops. And now again 1 double crochet in the next chain. 1 more double crochet through the first 2 loops and through the last 2 loops. So guys, this one is the pattern you have to repeat for the row. You have to do 1 double crochet on each chain. Continue guys, I'll meet you at the end. So guys, I have completed the double crochets. So I have got 13 double crochets in total. So including the last chain over there, it is 14. Including the chain over there, it is 14. So guys, to start with the next row, chain 1 and turn your work, and now go to the space over there. Into the space over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. And now chain 3. So 1 2 and 3. So now skip 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3, and go to the next space, 1 2 3, and the next space over there. And the next space after 3 double crochets, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 single crochet. And now again chain 1 2 and 3. So guys, now again skip 3 double crochets. So first, second and third, and the next space over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 single crochet. So again 1 2 and 3 chains. So now again skip 3 double crochets, and in the next space right after the 3 double crochets over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and just make 1 single crochet. Pull the yarn through the 2 loops and again chain 3, 1 2 and 3. So guys, now again we are at the last stitch. So at the last space over there, skipping the before 3 double crochets, insert the hook right at the space over there, just make 1 single crochet. And now you have to chain 3. So 1 2 and 3. Now you have to turn your work. And now inside the chain 3 space over there, make 1 double crochet. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops and pull the yarn through the next 2 loops, and again inside the chain 3 space over there, 1 more double crochet, and now again 1 more double crochet inside the chain 3 space. So in total we have to get 3 double crochets inside the chain 3 space. So now again in the next chain 3 space over there we have to make 3 more double crochets. So the first double crochet, the second double crochet, and the third double crochet, and the third double crochet. So guys, this one is the pattern. Just repeat. I'll meet you. So guys, I just completed the last 3 double crochets. So now to end the row, over there, just insert the hook inside the space over there and make one more double crochet in order to end the row. So now to start with the next row, chain 1, turn your work, and into the space over there, right there, to the space over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch, and now again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now again go to the space over there. After 3 double crochets, just insert the hook, grab the yarn, and here we have to make one single crochet, and now again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. So now again go to the next space over there, just make one single crochet, again chain 3. Repeat it guys, I'll meet you. So guys, to end the row, just insert the hook inside the space over there and make one more single crochet, and chain 3. Now turn your work, and inside the chain 3 space over there, you have to make 3 double crochets. Inside the chain 3 space over there, you have to make 3 double crochets, and inside each chain 3 spaces you have to make 3 double crochets. So continue guys, I'll meet you. So guys, now to end the row, just insert the hook inside the space over there and make inside the space over there just insert the hook and make one double crochet, and now again and now again chain 1 and turn your work, and now again the same procedure guys. You have to make, just insert the hook inside the space over there and make a slip stitch, now chain 3, 1 2 and 3. Now go to the space over there. After 3 double crochets to the space over there, you have to go there and make one single crochet, and now again chain 3, 1 2 and 3. Now again go to the next space over there, make one single crochet, now again chain 3. So again to the next space over there, after 3 double crochets, just insert the hook and make one single crochet. So again chain 3, 1 2 and 3. Now again into the last space over there, just insert the hook and make one single crochet. So guys, now again chain 3, 1 2 and 3, and now turn your work, and now as usual you have to make 3 double crochets inside each chain 3 spaces. So this is a pattern guys, you have to repeat. I'll meet you after I complete few more rows. You guys continue to make the block stitch. So guys, this is how it looks. This is the block stitch, and thank you for watching my video guys. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos. Happy crocheting.